Welcome back guys to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this lesson is going to be very short because this is a really short tool, which is the rectangle tool, which would come in handy in many ways. So the rectangle tool actually makes you able to draw a graphics on your video. Alright, so let's check it out. So right here, if I go ahead and select the rectangle tool, which is right over here, okay, it's already selected right now. If I go to select tool and if I go back to the rectangle tool, you can see it's selected. Now I have to just go over to the video right over here, okay. So now from here, if I go ahead and draw anything, you can see if whatever shapes I make, it will turn into a graphic, into a rectanglish shape. All right, so I can actually place any type of shape right over here, okay. So that's how you actually give the rectangle tool. It's very simple. All right, so if you want to delete it, you can just go ahead and select this one right over here, cut it, and it will all just disappear just like that. All right, now the second tool, another one which is over here, is the hand tool, okay. So I'll cover this in another lesson. All right, so the hand tool and the text tool, or the type tool, okay. So I'll cover this in the next lesson. All right, so I'll see you in the next lesson.